Hello everyone, welcome to Tungada online classes. Let's continue our discussion on straight lines. Next problem, find the equations of sides of the triangle. Once again question, find the equations of the sides of a triangle whose vertices are a of -1, 8, b of 4, -2 and c of -5, -3. Once again question, find the equations of the sides of a triangle whose vertices are a, b and c. In this case, we need to find equations of sides of the triangle, and sides of the triangles are always straight line only, right? Just figure out it. Suppose this is A and B, C. ABCD is a triangle, right? And sides are always straight lines, right? Find the equations of sides of the triangle means we need to find equation of side AB, equation of side AC and equation of side BC, right? Already you know how to find equation of a straight line passing through 2 points, right? How to find equation of a straight line passing through 2 points, right? What is equation of side AB? That's equal to, or simply such that, what is equation of AB? AB they have given A, B, C are vertices of the triangle. Then find equations of sides. What are the sides? AB side, AC side and BC is other side, right? Now first write equation of AB. While finding equation of AB, which formula is applicable? How to find equation of side AB? Clearly coordinates of A and coordinates of B they have given, right? Then how to find its equation? Just use 2-point formula. When line passes through 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2, then its equation is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This concept already we discussed, right? Suppose our line passing through 2 points, then its equation is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, right? Same formula here apply. AB, this is x1 y1, this point is x2 y2. A coordinates are x1 y1, B coordinates x2 y2. A coordinates are -1, 8. B coordinates they have given 4, -2 and C coordinates also given -5, -3. While finding AB equation, treat this point as x1 y1 and this point as x2 y2, right? Y minus y1, which one is y1 value? 8. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1, that is 8 minus of -2 divided by x2 minus x1, sorry, it is x1 y1 and it is x2 y2, right? So x1 y1 it is x2 y2, so -2 minus 8 whole thing divided by x2 minus x1, that is 4 minus of -1 into, here also y minus y1, right? Only y1 is 8, then x minus x1, that is x minus 4 only. This is x1 y1 x2 y2 means x minus x1 means here -1, right? x1 value -1, x2 value 4 and y1 value 8, y2 value -2. Then y minus 8 is equal to y minus y1 is equal to -10 divided by +5 into x plus 1 only, because minus of minus it will be plus. Then y minus 8 is equal to, it will be minus 2 into x plus 1. After that y minus 8 is equal to minus 2x minus 2, just rearrangement, then it will be 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0, right? If you take this minus 2 into LHS, then it will be plus 2 minus 8 is minus 6. This is equation of side AB. Then tell me equation of side AC. Equation of side AC. While finding equation of side AC, treat this point as x1, y1 and C as x2, right? Same formula, y minus y1. In this case also y1 is 8. That's equal to y2. y2 is minus 3. Minus 3 minus y2 minus y1. That is minus 8. Whole thing divided by x2 minus x1. That is minus 5 minus of minus plus 1, right? It is x1, it is x2, right? Into x minus x1, x minus of minus 1, right? x1 value. Now just simplification, y minus 8 is equal to y minus y1 is equal to y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, right? It will be minus 11 divided by minus 4 into x plus 1, right? Negative sign get cancelled and just cross multiplication. 4 into y minus 8, that's equal to 11 into x plus 1. After that 4y minus 8 4s are 32, that's equal to 11x plus 11. After that send these two terms into RHS, then it will be 11x minus 4y. Send it to RHS. Send it to RHS, then clearly it will be plus 43, right? 32 plus 11. This is equation of side AC. Tell me equation of side BC, same formula only. Equation of side BC, right? Side BC, while finding BC equation, treat B coordinates x1, y1, C coordinates x2, y2, right? Y minus y1, y1 value is minus 2. That's equal to y2 minus y1, that is minus 3 minus of minus 2, whole thing divided by x2 minus x1, that is minus 5 minus 4, right? Into x minus x1, here x1 value is 4, right? Then just rearrangement, it will be y plus 2 is equal to plus 2 minus 1, minus 1 divided by minus 9, right? Into x minus 4. Now negative sign will be get cancelled, cross multiplication, 9y plus 18, that's equal to x minus 4. Now take these two terms or these two terms into RHS, then it will be x minus 9y minus 4 minus 18, it will be minus 22 is equal to 0. These are the equations of sides of the triangle, right? Next one, take one homework. Find the equations of sides of a triangle whose vertices are, once again question, find the equations of sides of a triangle whose vertices are a of 2 comma 1, b of minus 2 comma 3 and c of 4 comma 5. Do it homework, right? Find the equations of sides of a triangle whose vertices are ABC, right? Do this one. Next problem. Find the equations of the medians of a triangle ABC. Once again question. Find the equations of the medians of a triangle ABC whose vertices are a of 2 comma 5, capital B of minus 4 comma 9 and capital C of minus 2 comma minus 1. Before discussing this problem, let me clear about median of the triangle and altitude of the triangle, right? What do you mean by median of the triangle? You heard this word in statistics, right? That median is different, right? This is median of the triangle. Median and altitude of the triangle. Can you tell me what is median of the triangle? Definition of median of the triangle. Consider one triangle and it is A, B, C. I will take one line and clearly this point is D. AD is median of this triangle through vertex A. AD is median through vertex A. Then I will draw one more median through vertex B, right? AD is median of the triangle and clearly D is midpoint of BC. And this is E. B is median of the triangle ABC through vertex B. And similarly, CF is also median of the triangle through vertex C. When AD, B and CF are medians, what is condition? D is midpoint of BC, E is midpoint of AC and EF is midpoint of AB. And clearly D, E, F are midpoints of sides of a triangle. Then tell me what is definition of median of the triangle? What is its definition? What do you mean by median? Not only median of the triangle. Just median means, as you learn in statistics, median of the triangle. Median means AD is median, B is median of the triangle and CF is median of the triangle. Then what you conclude about its definition? Straight line passing through one of the vertex and passing through midpoint of opposite side. Straight line passing through one vertex and midpoint of opposite side is nothing but median of the triangle. Once again, straight line passing through a vertex and midpoint of opposite side. AD is said to be median only when D is midpoint. AD is said to be median of the triangle only when D is midpoint of BC. If D is midpoint of BC, then clearly AD is median. If E is midpoint of AC, then B is median of triangle. If F is midpoint of AB, then CF is median. Remember its definition. Straight line passing through the vertex and midpoint of opposite side is known as median of the triangle. Clearly D is midpoint, E is midpoint and F is midpoint. Then AD, BE and CF are medians. Clear? Yes. Median means a straight line passing through one vertex and midpoint of opposite side. Any straight line passing through one of the vertex and midpoint of opposite side. Then we can say that it is median of the triangle. Then what is altitude? Altitude of the triangle, this is median. Median of the triangle, altitude, just a slight difference between median and altitude. I will explain about altitude. Triangle A, B and C. AD is altitude and it is perpendicular to BC. In this case, AD is said to be altitude of the triangle only when it is perpendicular to BC. D may or may not be midpoint, but condition is if a straight line passing through one vertex and perpendicular to opposite side is known as altitude of the triangle. Once again, definition of altitude of the triangle. A straight line passing through one vertex and perpendicular to opposite side is known as altitude. Then what is definition of median? A straight line passing through one vertex and midpoint of opposite side. In this case, median is not perpendicular to opposite side, but altitude is perpendicular to opposite side. Altitude of the triangle means a straight line passing through one vertex and perpendicular to opposite side. Similarly, I will take it as PQ. P. AP is altitude of the triangle only when it is perpendicular to opposite side. Q. BQ is altitude of the triangle when it is perpendicular to opposite side. I will take it as R. CR is altitude when it is perpendicular to opposite side. Remember, median means a straight line passing through one vertex and midpoint of opposite side. Altitude of the triangle means a straight line passing through one vertex and perpendicular to opposite side. That's all, right? Altitude means a straight line passing through one vertex and perpendicular to opposite side. Median means a straight line passing through one vertex and midpoint of opposite side. This is definition of median of the triangle and altitude of. Now, in the question what they asked, find the equations of medians of the triangle. Find the equations of the median of the triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Find the equations of the medians of a triangle ABC whose vertices they given. Whose vertices are A of 2, 5, B of -4, 9 and C of -2, -1. Find the equations of medians of this triangle, right? Just figure out. Consider one triangle ABC, right? A, B and C. We need to find equations of medians, means all the medians. We have 3 medians for a triangle, right? This is one median, B is other median and CF. Clearly D, E, F are the medians. Already they given A coordinates 2, 5, B coordinates -4, 9 and C coordinates -2, -1. Find the equations of medians means one of the condition they have given, right? How to find D coordinates? What are the D coordinates? By definition only it clears that D is midpoint of BC, then only it is median. Then what are the coordinates of D? D coordinates x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Coordinates of D divided by 2, 9 minus 1 divided by 2. Therefore D coordinates equal to, that's equal to minus 6 divided by 2 means -3, then 9, 8, that is 4, right? Now you get coordinates of D by using midpoint formula. Why? Because AD is median only when D is midpoint of BC. So D coordinates -3, 4. After that tell me what are the coordinates of E. While finding coordinates of E, clearly E is midpoint of AC. Midpoint means +2 -2 get cancelled. 2 -2 divided by 2, y coordinate 5 minus 1 divided by 2, that's equal to 0, 2 minus 2 0, 0 divided by any value is 0, 2. Now we get coordinates of E. After that tell me what are the coordinates of F. Clearly F is midpoint of AB line, right? Midpoint of AB line is F. So F coordinates are x1 plus x2, that is 2 minus 4 divided by 2, 5 plus 9 divided by 2, that's equal to -1, 7, right? Now we get coordinates of D, E and F. After that find the equations. Tell me what is the equation of median AD. How to find equation of median AD? Equation of median AD. How to find equation of median AD? Already you have coordinates of A and coordinates of D. Just use 2-point formula. D coordinates -3, 4. Just use 2-point formula. Equation of AD by using 2-point formula. AD means A coordinates x1, y1, D coordinates x2, y2. Then y minus y1. What is y1 value here? That is 5. That's equal to y2. D coordinates, or else right here, what are the coordinates of D? -3, 4. What are the coordinates of E? Already we have 0, 2, right? Then what are the coordinates of F? F coordinates -1, 7, right? These are the coordinates of midpoints. Midpoint means coordinates of D, E and F. Now tell me what is equation of AD by using 2-point formula. X1, y1, x2, y2. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1, that is 4 minus 5. Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is -3 -2. -3 -2, right? Into x minus x1. What is x1 value? That is 2. Then just simplify. Y minus 5, that's equal to, y minus 5 is equal to -1 divided by -5, right? X minus 2. After that negative sign will be get cancelled, then cross multiply. So 5y minus 25 is equal to x minus 2. Just rearrangement. Then it will be x minus 5y. This minus 25 becomes plus 25, means minus plus 23, right? This is equal to 0. Equation of median equation of median AD. Similarly, second one, equation of median BE. Median BE is equal to, that's equal to median BE. BE, while finding equation of BE, just consider it as x1 y1 and it is x2 y2, right? x1 y1, x2 y2. Y minus y1, y minus 9, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus, what is y2? Y2 is 2 here, 2 minus 9 divided by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is 0 minus of minus 4, right? Into x minus x1 here. What is x1 value? X minus of minus 4. Why? Because x1 value is minus 4, right? Then usual simplification. Y minus 9 is equal to, it will be minus 7 divided by plus 4 into x plus 4, right? Now this denominator cross multiplication, it will be 4y minus 36, that's equal to minus 7x minus 28. Take these two terms into LHS, or else take these two terms into RHS, just rearrangement, right? Then 7x plus 4y. If you take this minus 28 into LHS, then it will be plus 28. Plus 28 minus 36 means minus 8 only. If you take this into 28 means minus 8, that's equal to 0. This is equation of median B. After that, tell me equation of median CF. Equation of median CF, right? How to find equation of median CF? Equation of median CF. Same formula, use 2-point formula. While finding CF equation, x1 y1, it is x2 y2. Y minus y1 here, y minus of minus 1, right? That's equal to y2 minus y1, 7 minus of minus 1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is minus 1 minus of minus 2 into x minus x1 here. What is x1 value? Minus 2. Then it will be y plus 1 equal to 8 divided by 1 into x plus 2, that's equal to y plus 1 is equal to 8x plus 16. Send it to RHS, then it will be 8x minus y plus 16 minus 1 is plus 15, that's equal to 0. These are the equations of medians of the triangle ABC, right? Next question, if next question, if capital A of 2 comma 1, take the question, if capital A of 2 comma 1 comma capital B of minus 2 comma 3 and capital C of 4 comma 5 are the vertices of triangle ABC, are the vertices of triangle ABC. Clearly these are vertices of the triangle ABC. Then find the equations of, then find the equations of First one, median through C. Median through C means vertex C, right? Second question, the altitude through B. Altitude through B. This is the question. In this case, they asked only one median through vertex C and altitude through vertex B. Not all the medians, right? Just figure out, consider one triangle ABC, right? Clearly it is A, B and C. A value, A coordinates given, that is 2 1, B coordinates minus 2 3 and C coordinates 4 5, right? These are the coordinates of ABC. We need to find median through vertex C, right? Sorry, median through vertex C, right? Take this as F. This is median. And altitude. Altitude means clearly it is perpendicular. And I will take this as BE, right? Altitude means it is perpendicular to opposite side. Median means passes through one vertex and midpoint of opposite. Tell me what are the coordinates of F? Clearly F is midpoint of AB. Use midpoint formula, 0 comma x1 plus x2 divided by 0 comma 2, right? Coordinates of F, x1 plus x2 divided by 2 plus y1 plus y2 divided by 2, comma, means clearly F coordinates. What are the coordinates of F? 0 comma 2. Now write, I written directly, right? You can use the formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Then you get 0 comma 2. Now find equation of median CF equal to. Equation of median CF. In this case they asked find the equation of the median through vertex C. This is vertex C, right? So find the equation of median CF, right? That's equal to, use 2-point formula. CF means x1 y1, it is x2 y2, y minus y1. What is y1 value here? 5, right? Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by, what is y2 here? 2 minus 5, right? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, 0 minus 4 here, into x minus x1, that is x minus 4, that's equal to y minus 5 equal to minus 3, right? Minus 3 divided by minus 4 into x minus 4. This negative sign will be get cancelled. Denominator cross multiplication, it will be 4y minus 20. That's equal to 3x minus 12, right? Now send these two terms into RHS. Then 3x minus 4y, send it to RHS, it will be plus 8, that's equal to 0. This is equation of median through vertex C, right? After that, how to find equation of altitude B? In this case, we don't know coordinates of E, means it is not possible to find its coordinates. If it is midpoint, then we can find. But one condition they have given. Clearly, altitude means it is always perpendicular to AC. Just find slope of AC. By using slope of AC, we can find slope of BEL. Perpendicularity condition, right? First write slope of AC, not equation of AC. Slope of AC equal to, what is slope of AC? That's equal. Tell me slope of AC by using 2-point formula. Slope, not equation, right? Slope of AC by using 2-point formula, y2 minus y1, that's equal to 5 minus 1. Yeah, sorry. Because AC means x1, y1 is A coordinates. If you take AC, then x1, y1, A coordinates x1, y1, C coordinates x2, y2. If you take CA, then x1, C coordinates x1, y1, A coordinates x2, y2. In this case, we taken AC means A coordinates x1, y1, C coordinates x2, y2. y2 minus y1 here. y2 5 minus 1 divided by 4 minus 2, right? 4 minus 2, that's equal to 4 divided by 2, that's equal to 2. Slope of AC is equal to 2 means then what is slope of B? We need slope of B. Already you know, when two lines are perpendicular, then slope of one line is equal to negative reciprocal of slope of the other line. Slope of B is equal to slope of B is nothing but minus 1 divided by slope of AC, right? Why? Because BE is perpendicular to AC. Already you know perpendicularity condition. If two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes equal to minus 1, right? Hence, if you take cross multiplication, slope of AC into slope of B is equal to minus 1. Why? Because perpendicular. Then slope of B is equal to minus 1 divided by 2, right? Now you get slope of B. Then how to find equation of altitude B? Its slope is given. What is slope? Slope of B is minus 1 by 2 and 1 point. Using slope and point formula, equation of BE, equation of altitude B, equation of altitude B is using slope and point formula. Already you have slope and 1 point. This B line passing through this point having slope minus 1 by 2. Use slope point formula. Slope point formula, what is slope point formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, right? Already we have m value. Slope of B means it is m only. Then y minus, which one is y1 value? This point is x1, y1, that is y minus 3 equal to y minus 3 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into x minus x1, right? X minus of minus 2, right? Y minus 3 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into x plus 2. After that cross multiplication, 2y minus 6 equal to minus x minus 2. Take these two terms into LHS or else send it to RHS. X plus 2y, if you take this term, then it will be minus 4 is equal to 0. Equation of altitude B is x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, right? After that, take one homework. Find the equations of altitudes of the triangle. Find the altitudes of a triangle ABC whose vertices are A of -2, 4, B of 5, 5 and vertex C of 4, -2. Just take this as a homework, right? Find the equations of altitudes of a triangle ABC whose vertices they have given. Equations of altitudes of the triangle. Thank you.